So if you want to learn how to get more views on YouTube, there is actually a way that you can go about this and get views forever, even with just one video. Take a look at this example over here. This person has 348 subscribers, yet their video has had 89,000 views. And this isn't an isolated incident. What I'm going to show you, every single YouTube creator that's creating videos on the platform should be doing to get more views on YouTube. And what I'm talking about today is creating evergreen content. This is going to help you get more views on YouTube, not just for days, weeks, but for months and years to come. And we're going to take a look at what is evergreen content, what types of videos are perfect for evergreen content and how you can create them. And more importantly, how are you going to find different ideas and topics for evergreen content? Let's get into it. So firstly, what is evergreen content? Evergreen content is something that serves a purpose, something that people can watch in 3 months and even in a year's time, and they're going to find it useful. It is not time sensitive like trending videos or something that's important or that's blowing up at the moment. These different types of videos are tutorial videos, step-by-step videos, and we'll take a look at some of these examples in a minute. So in order to get more views with these evergreen videos, they need 3 things in order to be successful. They need to be detailed, they need to be informative, and they need to be searchable. If you can get this mix right in these videos and you can create some of these videos within the content that you have on your channel, you are going to have a proven formula for getting a lot of views on your channel, getting a lot more subscribers, and growing your channel for years to come with videos that you have created a long time ago. Not to mention that you're going to be making passive income on your YouTube channel, money that comes in for work that you did a long time ago. This is super powerful when it comes to growing a sustainable business on YouTube. So what makes a good evergreen video? How are you going to get more views on YouTube for years to come? Well, I'll show you one of the ways that I do this and how you can implement this as well. And the best thing to do is to answer questions. Answer questions that people are asking on YouTube every single day, because YouTube is a search engine. And one tool that I use to get these questions and answers is this one over here called VidIQ. I downloaded this. I've got a link in my description for you, and I'm going to give you a live example right now of how people are using this and they're getting evergreen views on YouTube, which is blowing up their channels. Let's say, for example, if you come over to VidIQ and you wanted to just look up YouTube as an example, you'd come over to keywords, you type in YouTube. When you scroll down on VidIQ, you can see that they have this question section over here. This is going to show you the most questions that people are asking with the word YouTube in it. For example, one of them is how to download YouTube video or how to download a YouTube video. Let me show you exactly, if we go over to YouTube, what this looks like if you wanted to create a video on this. So if you come over to YouTube and you type in how to download a YouTube video and you scroll down, you can automatically see that there's millions of people that are looking for this specific search term. The other thing that you want to notice over here on VidIQ is that the score over here is quite low. There isn't a lot of competition for this particular search term. Now you can type anything over here up top and go down and look at these questions. So when you come over here and you scroll down, you can see that this person has 191,000 subscribers and they've had 4 million views, which means the reach for these types of videos is massive. When you scroll down, this person 4 months ago, 1.54 million subscribers, had 612,000 views. But you're probably thinking, Alan, these people have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So if we keep going down, here is another one. 4 months ago, 5,590 subscribers, 212,000 views. Another one, 44,000 subscribers, 1.9 million views. And then as we scroll down, we're going to find channels like this, 348 subscribers with 89,000 views. And even over here, you've got this person who's got under 10,000 subscribers, who's got 960,000 views. These are evergreen videos. Some of these videos are going to continue to get views for years to come, and they're going to be making them passive income over and over again. This is why how-to videos are among some of the best videos that you should be creating on your YouTube channel if you want to grow your YouTube channel over the next 2, 4, 6, even 10 years, because some of these videos are going to get evergreen views and they're going to be making passive income on their channels. And the reason why these videos are so successful is that they are detailed, they are informative, they serve a purpose, and they are highly searchable. But these aren't the only examples of evergreen content that you can start creating on your channel. Other things that you can consider to help you get more views on YouTube is also to create tips and tricks videos. People absolutely love these different types of videos, and you can see that they get millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views. Also, for small creators, all you need to do is go through on YouTube and take a look at some of these different ideas and think about how you're going to incorporate this inside your channel. And these different types of videos can really help you grow really quickly, get those subscribers, and even get those watch hours that you need when you're looking to grow a successful YouTube channel. Another thing that you can do is do versus. What I mean by that is, as an example, you can see here that people are creating Canon versus Sony. You can do software as well. If you're talking about software, you can do a whole range of different types of things. And as you can see, these different types of videos as well, a lot of these creators don't have a lot of subscribers. You can easily scroll down and take a look at different types of videos. Like this one over here, it's got under 31,000 subscribers. This video has 100,000 views. When you come over here and take a look at this video, this creator has 1,840 subscribers, yet this video has got over 300,000 views. The thing you also need to remember is that you need to stay consistent, and you need to be mixing this sort of content up with also trending videos or any other content that you're already making on your channel. See, trending type of videos will get you your immediate views, will get you your immediate subscribers, but those videos won't last long once that particular topic or that trending theme dies down over time. So you need to consider creating these different types of evergreen videos. And another really good one is step-by-step guides. Okay, this can be on different types of software as well. How to do something, how to use a software, how to use an editing software, how to create thumbnails as an example, and showing people step by step how to use these different types of software or different type. For example, you can do a step-by-step guide on how to use a camera. Just as an example, you know how powerful that is because people are going to watch that video all the way through. It's going to push it with the YouTube algorithm, and you're going to get evergreen views. You're going to get evergreen subscribers, and you're also going to get evergreen passive income, which is ultimately what you want to do. Build a business on YouTube and make money on YouTube as well as you're growing your channels. And this is exactly what I have been doing on my channel, Smart Video Tactics. I've been creating evergreen content since I started posting again only 4 months ago because I had a break for almost a year, and I've grown this channel from 10,000 subscribers to over 40,000 subscribers very, very quickly with a lot of these different types of videos. And these videos will continue to get views for a long time to come. And that's exactly what I'm going to continue to do on this channel. Now, I know getting views on YouTube, growing your channel isn't easy, which is why what I have done with Greg, who is one of my friends and also has a YouTube channel as well, we have created this amazing new course. We have updated our recent course, and we've got a huge special for you at the moment. If you sign up within our launch period, we've got massive discounts. But basically, we're going to show you exactly what we have done to grow our YouTube channels over the last few years. We both gave up our 9-to-5 jobs because we don't need to be there anymore. We both fired our bosses, if that's what you want to call it. And now we do YouTube full time. We don't just make money with ad revenue. We make money with so many other ways when it comes to YouTube because you've got so much opportunity with the views that you get. And we're going to teach you all this in our course, Jet Video Academy. That link is down the bottom in the description of this video. You need to scroll down, click onto it, take a look at it. And at the moment, you're going to see that there is a huge discount before it goes to the full price. We've got a lot of modules on here that's going to teach you everything step by step. These are practical videos. This is exactly what we do in our business, where you can come over here and pretty much copy exactly what we're doing, and this can work in any niche. You can very easily set this up, set up your channel, set it up for growth. We're going to show you how to create this content, and then we're going to show you exactly what you need to do to maximize all the views that you need so you can make some really good money on YouTube, and also creating these evergreen types of videos. When you sign in, if you decide to come on board with us and you come over, you're going to see that we've got 10 modules. On these 10 modules, we're going to go through a whole heap of different things over here. We've got over 40 videos that are going to help you create a YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. But the support does not stop with just this informative course. What we've also done is we have our Jet Video Academy Facebook group where it's invite only. Once you get into the Jet Video Academy course, you can come over here and join hundreds of members where you'll have access to us at any time to ask us whatever questions you need, where we can give you feedback on different things that you're looking to do with your channel, and also help you grow, get your subscribers, get your watch time, and get exclusive content that we're only going to be sharing on this group. So we are here to help you along the journey in getting you to where you want to be on YouTube. So in order to get access to Jet Video Academy, I've got a link in the description down the bottom right now. Take advantage before this course reaches its maximum price, because once that's done, it's going to stay at that price and we aren't going to be dropping that price anymore. So get it right now while we've discounted it, and I look forward to helping you with your YouTube journey. Now, if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation and subscribe, because I've got some more awesome content coming your way. Now, if you guys want to know how to beat the YouTube algorithm, make sure you click onto this video over here right now for another detailed tutorial on exactly how you can get this done. I'll see you on that video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and goodbye.